Hey everybody, I just got this S18 vacuum cleaner and I love it. I'm going to tell you the reasons why. First of all, I love that if I'm walking along and doing some cleaning and I have to pick something up or do something, this unit can stand up on its own. All you got to do is lock it in, stand it up, and it stands on its own. Makes it so much easier to use. It comes with a number of different attachments, as you can see right here. Oops. So it comes with the brush tool that can also adapt to getting into corners, and also the crevice tool. See them right there? Yep. So, and this one can adapt to being like a brush, and then also for getting into corners along with the crevice tool. It comes with a charging stand. So you can hang this up onto your wall, and then you can put the vacuum cleaner onto there and it will charge the vacuum for you. So I really love that also. The vacuum, they also give you an extra filter and a little like hook cleaning tool to help if you're having to get some of the hair, which I have a lot of hair and it seems to come out for some reason, to get the hair off of your roller, which I love that they provide that for you along with that extra filter. So they have a nice display on the back of the vacuum. You can see right there, it tells you your battery health and where it's at. And that's this side. And then this side, by pressing the button, increases the suction strength. Now, this vacuum has some good suction. I have to say, compared to other vacuums, this is pretty unique. On the highest suction, it holds on to my hand. That is pretty good suction. So I really like that. And then it has the different levels depending on whether you're doing your floor or if you're doing your carpet. So, some very nice features to this unit. The dustbin empties very easily. You just press that button, open it up. I'm not going to turn it over because I've got dust in there. So, but it empties very easily. Just press that button and that does that. It's easy to take apart to do extra cleaning on it. You press the button right here, open the unit up, and then you can get to the filter and also clean, if you so want, to clean the dustbin there a little better. And then just easily put it back together. I love the ease of putting it back together. That's very, very cool. Same with the bar there for cleaning up the beater bar. It's very easy because you have a lot of access on this bottom panel. So I like that because some of them are so tight you can't even get in there to clean up the beater bar. But it's great because you can get in there, clean that up, and get whatever, use that hair hook, which I already have to use on here. Sorry, I don't mean to gross you out, to get it nice and cleaned up. And if you want to do an even more extensive cleaning, I love vacuums that come apart so I can clean them thoroughly. There's a little button here, right there. You press that button and your beater bar comes out. So you can clean your unit very, very easily. Everything comes apart so easy and so perfectly and just snaps back together. That is perfect. I hate vacuums that don't let you clean them thoroughly, so that this part gets all murky and you can't do anything about it. So many of the features I just love about this vacuum. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to pour some flour on my floor. which I picked flour because I figured flour is probably the most irritating and thinnest substance, maybe one of the more difficult to get up. Using some cheap flour, but there you go. So I poured it onto the floor. Just give you an idea of how well it works. You can see how smoothly it just goes ahead and vacuums that up. No issue, nothing at all. No residual flour, nothing. So my assessment of this vacuum, the, let's see, S18, it's a winner chicken dinner. I love this. Also the telescoping arm, so you have shorter. If you want to do stairs, everything comes apart. So you could just do, like if I wanted to do my stairs, I would just take this apart like so. See? Put that on, and now I can do my stairs. I can vacuum off my couches. I can do all sorts of stuff. And since I have you closer, I'll show you the charging station. It gives you a readout as it's sitting on the cradle there. You can see how well your battery's charging. Just a great product. And I want to tell you, okay, so I went through and vacuumed my whole downstairs level, which is about 1,700 square feet. Now, my other vacuum, and I went through, I do corners, I do crevices, I do underneath my couch, I'm a little crazy, but just a little bit. But my other vacuum, which is a cordless, I generally have to replace the battery and finish up. This one went all the way through, and I still had like, let's see here. I still had 2 bars left when I did it. I only had used 1/2 of the battery. I love that. I just love it because I had gone through and done everything on my first floor. Corners, I would take the bottom piece off, do the corners, and every little thing I could think of. And sorry, there we go. And the battery didn't die. Great product. Put it into your cart. You will not be disappointed for the price and the product, and that it just stands all on its own. You just can't beat it. I love it. Put it into your cart. You will not be disappointed.